Hello, everyone. This is David Lewis with your sales tip of the week. If the title of this session, Why Salespeople Fail, seems harsh to you, it's not meant to be. My hope is that you will see the value of what I'm saying and it will encourage you to reach out for more success as a salesperson. Selling cars is not for everyone, and those who decide to do it should make it their goal to enjoy what they're doing. The best way to do that is to learn to sell enough cars at a good price so you can have a lucrative and growing career. So why do some salespeople fail? Well, some fail because they don't see enough customers. Selling is a numbers game. The more people you see, the more people you sell. If you're not aggressive and enthusiastic about taking every up that comes your way, don't expect to have a highly successful career. Now, some salespeople fail because they don't like their job. I do not recommend you stay in this business if that is you. Learn to love it or leave it and find something else you like doing better. Too often, salespeople fail because they rush the process and skip the steps that make for success. Following a structured process is the proven way to sell cars, and the steps you skip may be the ones that would have sealed the deal for the customer. Some salespeople fail because they don't understand their customers. They don't take the time to listen and get to know what their real wants and needs are. So they spend their time selling and telling rather than hearing what they need to know in order to understand their customers' wants and needs. But I think the reason most fail, and now I'm going to change that terminology from fail to not succeed or to they just don't reach their true potential, is because they utilize old and outdated sales steps. Pressure and trial closes are not the way to sell. Customers become more defensive and shut down when that happens. Selling is creating a visual of a want, a need, and of comfort. Don't worry about closing the deal during the sales presentation. Worry about releasing the customer's defensive posture, finding a car they love, and get them to truly believe that you care about them. And guess what? Most will buy the car. Well, that's it for this sales tip of the week. Good luck, be safe, and I'll see you all next week.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.